This is the story of a hike that we did in a place near Kharkov, a small town in the Czech Republic near the Polish border. We began our walk with no worries, unaware of what was coming. In the distance, the sound of a small waterfall reached us before we even saw it. Up close, the water was roaring over smooth rocks and the noise filled the air. We spent quite some time near the fall and continued our walk uphill. Small streams of water on their way to the fall made the journey scenic. It was raining as we expected, and we were prepared with our rainproof gears. Soon the trail changed and the path got a little tougher. The rain made things more difficult. It was the weather, not the path, that really made this hike an adventure. We stopped a few times to rest, and the quiet nature helped our minds to feel calm and refreshed. As we climbed higher, the rain poured down even harder. By the time we reached the highest part of our route, the rain had increased so much that we could barely see our path ahead. Our rainproof things stopped making any sense from then on.
Yeah, we thought it will be 13 or 14 degrees centigrade, but now
It's
we are getting down
and it's raining all the way.
and raining all the way. Feels like Kerala.
No, it not feels like Kerala. The rain feels like Kerala, but the cold,
Feels
I don't
like
think so.
Darjeeling. And it's full of mist. Yeah, you can see. It's magical. Beautiful. And this is the descent we are having.
As we descended farther down, the mist slowly moved out of our way and the path became more clearer. The wet, green nature made us stop a few times just to enjoy the quiet beauty around us. Some of the views looked like dreams, some were straight out of a fairy tale. Soon, we reached the bottom of the hill and this trail took us back to our apartment. This is how the little hike ended, leaving us with so much to remember. I hope you enjoyed coming along on a part of our mini adventure. Thanks for watching.